Happy holidays, everyone, and thank you for spending a few minutes with us. We know you have a lot going on this time of year, and every second counts. It's been a busy year for all of us, but I have to tell you, it's been a lot of fun as well. Of course, it hasn't been an easy year. Let's be honest, there's no such thing as an easy year, especially if you're pushing forward and striving for growth. Doing what we do in Forever is not trouble-free or painless. It takes a very special person to stick with it and stay focused on the core activities that lead us to success. We appreciate all you are doing, and we love you being a part of our Forever family. Just like most of you, we have been busy in 2017. We have grown our business. That means more people looking better and feeling better around the world. We've brought Forever to a few new countries. We have launched some great new products, including the groundbreaking Forever Move supplement and the award-winning Infinite by Forever. We hope you're enjoying those products. On top of that, we reformulated over 20 products to comply with new regulations in different parts of the world. We introduced some great new policies, including the 12-month leadership bonus policy and 12-month responsoring rule. And there's more exciting announcements to come very soon. We had a great global rally in Dubai. At the 2017 Eagle Managers Retreat, we enjoyed having one of the largest cruise ships in the world full of Forever leaders from all over the world. We launched a new Fit app. If you haven't tried it, then get on it. We've kicked off a major global IT upgrade. Project Titan is what we're calling it. It's big. You'll start to see the benefits of it pretty soon. Like I said, it's been a busy year for all of us. The statistics are telling us that more people are enjoying our products and marketing plan than ever before. What a fantastic time to be a part of Forever. We are 40 years young next year. 40 years in business, and I don't think I've ever felt more excited about our opportunity and the potential for growth in every aspect of our business. We are still the invisible giant. The world needs to hear about our opportunity and our aloe vera. Even though we have a great track record of success, we are very aware of the need for us to continue to innovate and look for ways to enhance our marketing plan and product line. Rex is always asking us to be creative and conscientious as we drive the business forward. I want to thank the GLT for their continued support. We value their advice and feedback. A massive thank you to every one of you and your customers that work so hard to build on Forever's legacy of stability and success. I want to also thank our country managers and staff around the world. What an amazing team of superstars you are. We love you, and we are better because of each one of you. And of course, I want to thank Rex for having the courage and willingness to risk everything to build an opportunity that gives ordinary people like you and me an extraordinary opportunity to excel. I have been privileged to have a front row seat to watch and learn as Rex and Ruth, I call them Mom and Dad, gave everything to make sure our company did the right thing. What an amazing example they are to all of us. We have Rex here with us now, and I'm excited to hear what he has to share.
Thank you very much, Gregg, and thank you for all you do to help lead and guide our great company. I am proud of you and what our Forever family is achieving. I know Gregg has a lot to share with you, but I wanted to take a moment of your time to say Merry Christmas and to wish you a fantastic New Year. I have to be honest, I can't remember every New Year of the 40 years we've been in business, but I can promise you that each new year we have set goals and resolutions and worked hard to achieve them. Our FBOs are goal setters, and I know that most of you have already set your goals for the coming year. However, this year, I'd like to challenge you to lay out a plan for the next 5 years. Having a 5-year plan keeps you focused even when life affects your shorter-term priorities. Back in January, we told you about our goal to pack 1 million meals for our partner, Rise Against Hunger. Our promise to them was that our global family would pack 1 million meals to be distributed to hungry children and families around the world. Well, I'm humbled to let you know that thanks to your incredible generosity and willingness, we packed nearly 2 million meals. After this amazing achievement, Rise Against Hunger came back to us and asked if we would be prepared to do it again. And of course, we said yes. We believe in setting goals and working hard and knew we could do more. So, for the next 2 years, we have committed to packing 5 million meals. It's a massive amount and a huge undertaking, but I know we can achieve it together. As Henry Ford once said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Thank you for everything that you do to support Forever and our mission to help more people around the world look better and feel better. We are grateful for you. Ruth and I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Thanks for being a part of our journey over the last 40 years. It has been fantastic, and I can't wait for the next 40 years. Don't forget your 5-year plan. It will guide you to success. We love you and look forward to a fabulous 2018. Back to you, Gregg.
Thanks, Rex. We appreciate all you do, and you are right. We are always working on our 5-year focus. Setting goals and working to achieve them is a big part of our lives here at the home office. The goals we set in collaboration with our GLT, country managers, and vice presidents make up the foundation of our action plan year after year. Even with all this planning and preparation, rarely do we achieve all of our goals. This is just the way life is sometimes. We need to be constantly adjusting and realigning our resources to adapt the opportunities, changes, and challenges that are thrown our way. I'd like to share with you a little of what we're planning for the next 60 months. Of course, I can't give you all the specifics, as Rex always wants to save some surprises. All of our plans start with our mission statement. Do you remember it? We then identify our key areas of focus. Our current plan has 5. Number 1, the Aloe Vera Company. We love aloe, and we are really good at it. What better time to refocus on motivating everyone to drink more aloe? As part of this focus, we will be seeking out more scientific support, more experts, and more reasons for the world to enjoy our aloe. Our mission is to share with our staff, FBOs, and their customers the power of our aloe vera and its benefits. Number 2, product perfection. Perfection is impossible, I know that, but it's worth striving for. It's better to aim high and just miss than aim low and hit. We are always working to provide you with the best products we can. If there is something about our products or packaging that you do not love, make sure you tell your country office about it. They will let us know, and we will do all we can to make the improvements required. Number 3, 15% sales increase. Our minimum goal for growth is 15% growth in case credit sales. With our 5-year goal to double our sales, we have talked a lot about our 2 times focus, and this is a big part of it. We don't take this level of growth for granted and know how tough this can be. That is why we focus on our 4 core results: recruitment, retention, productivity, and development. We monitor each one closely and adjust our incentives and trainings to make sure we keep these in balance as much as possible. When your 4 core is in balance, your business will grow. We will also be focusing heavily on the 5 basics: use, share, sponsor, 4CC, and qualify. We all know if you're doing the 5 basics, your business will grow. Number 4, amazing staff. Great things happen when you surround yourself with great people. You guys know that from your experiences as you build your forever business. We have the best staff in the world, but that didn't happen by accident. It has always been part of our plan to constantly look for and develop the very best people in the world to help us build a company that helps you achieve all that you deserve. Number 5, forever proud. We have so much to be forever proud of. We have 40 years of success stories and global achievements and need to be telling these stories everywhere. Social media has given us a great platform to tell the world all the reasons we love our company. So we all need to be doing a lot more of this. There will be trolls and haters that pop up, but the silent majority will begin to see what you see, that Forever offers a viable, exciting, life-changing opportunity to rewrite your story. Be brave, be honest, and be forever proud to tell your story. So with the mission statement and these key areas of focus in mind, we build all of our campaigns, incentives, communication strategies, trainings, events, video presentations, and digital programs to support and achieve all these goals. We all know it takes discipline and determination to stay focused and on track. Of course, this is not easy. There will be constant distractions and even some doubts as you push your business into 2018 and beyond. But hold your course and stay focused on your 5-year plan. Keep looking after your groups and customers. Stay positive, stay away from negativity as much as possible, and be a good example. Who knows, someone might be watching you and catch you in the act of excellence. We will stay focused, and I promise we will not let you down. 5 years from now, when we have doubled our sales, increased your income, helped more people, and traveled the world together, we can look back at this moment, smile, and briefly enjoy the well-deserved feeling of achievement before turning back into the wind to push on for the next 5 years. Here we go. 2018 and the next 40 years are ahead of us. We are ready and we are willing to give you everything we have to take this great company to the next level. I hope you'll join us. We love you. I'm Gregg Maughan, and I am forever.